Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have seen 8255 PPI, and from that previous class, you can recollect the thing that 8255 PPI ports. So there are three 8-bit ports: port A, B, and C. These ports can be programmed for two modes of operation. One is bit set or reset mode, and other one is input and output mode. In IO mode, again there are three modes: mode 0 simple IO, mode 1 strobed IO, and mode 2 is called as strobed bidirectional IO. And we have seen the command word formats for bit set reset mode. And here we can say that to say that it is a BSR mode, always the most significant bit will be 0, and for IO mode it will be always 1. And in BSR mode, one of the port C bits are used for setting or resetting. So to select the bits, we are using the three bits D1, D2, and D3. And whether to tell whether its value is 0 or 1, we use the first bit as D0, and the remaining three bits are not used, so they are set to don't care conditions. And IO mode, to tell that it is an IO mode, the most significant bit will be always 1. The first bit is used to tell whether port C lower is used for input or output. If it is for input, it will be 1, otherwise it will be 0. So similarly, D1 is used for port B selection, and D3 is used for port C upper selection, and D4 is used to tell whether port A is used for input or output. And the mode of group A, that is port B or port C mode, is given by D2 bit. And since there are three possible modes for port A, we are going to use two bits, D6 and D5 and D6. And this is going to tell what is the mode in which port A is going to be used. Now let us see two examples how these are going to be programmed. So in the first example, we are going to use the ports in IO mode, and port A is used for input, port B for output, port C upper is for input, and port C lower is for input, and all are going to be programmed in simple IO mode. And the address of the control word register is given as 46H. Now we can see the format D7 to tell that it is in IO mode 1, and from D0 is used for port C lower. Since port C lower is used for input, it is given the value 1. Port B is used for output, so its value is 0. And the mode of group B is given as simple IO operation, so it is given as 0. Now port C upper and port A both are used for input, so their values are set to 1 and 1. And since there are three modes possible, and we are going to program in simple IO mode, the mode is given as 0, 0. And now this, when you write in hexadecimal format, you can see that it is equal to 99H. And to configure the ports of 8255, we need to write this command onto the control word register. And for that, we are using the two instructions. First, the command is written onto the AL register. So move AL comma 99H. And then this is going to be written onto the control word register address given as 46H. So the out 46H comma AL is used. Now in the second example, we are given that the command is A0H. Therefore, we need to find out how the ports are programmed. So A0H, when it is write in binary, you can see that format D7 is 1. That means it is used in IO mode. Now we need to see what is the modes of group A and group B. Group A mode is given by the bits D5 and D6. You can observe that the value is 0, 1. That means we are using that in mode 1. Mode 1 stands for strobed IO. And group B mode is taken to be 0. That means it is going to use the simple IO. And port C lower, port B are given the values 0, 0. Similarly, port C upper and port A are also given 0, 0. That means all the four ports are used only for output. Thank you.